So I'm going to show you in today's video how to change character on playing Grand Theft Auto 5 on PlayStation and you want to change characters between Trevor or Frank, for example. All you have to do is your control pad here, just hold down the down button and then you end up on this screen here where you can change between characters. All you have to do from here is, while holding the down button, use the right analog stick to change to whichever character you want. So you can pick Michael, you can pick Frank, like so. So you can choose like so. So you can choose between each character. And once you've selected the character by using this analog stick, it'll then switch over onto that character. So I'm going to let go now and it's going to move onto a different character. And there we go.